A flexible spending account, or FSA, is a tax-advantaged account that lets you use pre-tax dollars for eligible medical or dependent care expenses. Let us break down exactly how this account helps you save money on your everyday health costs. By using pre-tax money, you avoid paying income tax on the funds you set aside, which can save you a significant percentage on every dollar. The IRS determines what is eligible, but the list is quite broad, covering everything from routine dental cleanings to prescription medications. The main difference is that FSA funds typically expire at the end of the year, while health savings account funds roll over indefinitely. Because of the use it or lose it rule, many people see a spike in spending toward the end of the year to exhaust their remaining balance. The golden rule is to only contribute what you are sure you will spend, since you cannot easily withdraw excess funds later. Check with your employer to see if your plan offers a grace period or rollover. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tax basics.